Columbia Academy, Mrs. Hann here with another activity for our preschool age students. This one can be a math or a literacy activity depending on what you do with it, and it involves some basic art supplies found around the house. So you're going to start with a sheet of white paper, a white colored pencil or a white crayon, and you're going to be writing letters, numbers, and words that your child is going to use markers or paint to make magically appear on the paper. So let's get started. For this activity, you're going to need a white sheet of paper, you're going to need watercolors, and you're going to need a paintbrush. And I've actually gone ahead, and one is already done just so you can see. I have written in white sight words. And what you're going to do is you're going to have your child go ahead and take just a little bit of paint and start painting over the sight words, and you can see that they'll show up. Now, I used a colored pencil. I'm going to be the first to admit that this will work better with white crayon, but we didn't have a white crayon, so I am making do with what I have. So there's the second one, R. So I'm going to rinse. Go ahead, choose another color. And start painting. And you just keep going with all of them. And you can see, you can go over C, help, R, you can do names, you can do any combination of different words. This activity is the same idea as the watercolor sight words, except instead you're going to be using a marker and you're going to be making missing letters appear. So in this case I have the alphabet, and what you can do is just start coloring, and you'll see that what you've already written in white will show up. So you can have your child go A, B, C, D, what comes next? This would also be a great activity if you wanted to go ahead and do uppercase, lowercase pairings. So what I've done is I've just written in on the letters, and I won't make you sit here and watch me color all of them, but you get the idea that by writing in white first and coloring over it, they will appear as though it's magic. I wanted to make sure to include at least one math activity. So what I have done is the same thing as the previous two, in that I have written out addition sentences, in this case, no bigger than 5, and I've put in white the answers. So what I would do is you can give your child counters. I'm going to just use coins and do, 2 plus 3 equals how many? And then what they can do is take the marker when they're done and color in, show their answer. And you go on and you do the next one. 1 plus 2 equals, slide it over, and you would do your next answer. And again, I won't go through and do every single one, but what it does is it makes the answers magically appear.